Hello students, let's start with our new lesson 2.2, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. It's quite big lesson, that's why we are going to see the summary of the lesson in English. See in this picture, one sweeper boy is here. His name is Nathu and the name of a bank is People Nagar. Story starts from a People Nagar Bank, where Nathu was there sweeping the stairs at a morning. The theme of the story is a rumor how the fake news can spread in no time in the village People Nagar, and it makes a very funny situation. And because of this funny situation, the bank manager had to close the bank, and very big one kind of a very big dilemma occurs with this People Nagar Bank because of a small mistake or a small rumor, we can say, of the people. See how the menu spread. Here in this picture, we can see that almost more than 14 characters there are there. Here, this arrow can show the names of the characters are written here. 13 characters I have mentioned here, but at the 14 number all villages are there, and last is a Nathu, from where our news starts ends with the Nathu again. Let's start with the lesson. See, in first picture we can see the Nathu was sweeping the stairs of the bank, and at that time Sitaram entered there. Sitaram was the son of a washerman, and Nathu was grumbled. He was complaining about the manager of the bank. That manager of the bank was not giving him his monthly payment. That's why he was searching for a new job, and he requested Sitaram to search a new job. Now see, here we had seen two characters. Now our next character is Mrs. Srivastava. Then our washerman's son Sitaram met Mrs. Srivastava, and Mrs. Srivastava also wants a sweeper boy. And then Sitaram told her about Nathu, that Nathu wants a job because he was working in a bank and bank can't give him monthly payment. Then see, our third character Srivastava know only about the Nathu, but when in market she met with her friend Mrs. Bhushan. She told Mrs. Bhushan that here in this paragraph we can see the description of the village market, where one very big tamarind tree was there, where people used to meet with each other at the in the shade of this tamarind tree. See here, Mrs. Bhushan and Mrs. Srivastava met and chat with each other for very much time, and at last Mrs. Srivastava told her that see this last line, the toning of her. Do you know, my dear, that said Govindaram's bank can't even pay its employees. Only this morning I heard a complaint from the sweeper who hasn't received his wages for over 3 months. Now see, Mrs. Srivastava didn't talk directly with Nathu, but she told uh, Mrs. Bhushan that Nathu himself told her that he didn't got his payment from over 3 months. See how this news spread fakely. And she also said that all employees, not only Nathu. See, hard words or new words are given here. You can write yourself. Now see, in next picture or the next page, that now Mrs. Bhushan search for her husband. She want to tell his husband that if sweeper boy can't get his payment, then what about other employees, and what about the people who invested money in this bank? Bank must be bankrupt. Bankrupt means financially ruined. The economical condition of the bank was not good, and at last she met Mr. Bhushan at the shop of Kamal Kishore, whose shop was photography shop. In this photography shop, she met both of them, but she declared that at the last line you can see that even the bank's about to go bankrupt, like that. The bankrupt was very big news. When Kamal Kishore heard this news as a bankrupt, his neighbor was a barber. His name was Deep Chand. Kamal Kishore himself, his account was not there in this bank, but Deep Chand's account was there. And when this Kamal Kishore told Deep Chand about that, then what happened? See in next picture. One elderly gentleman, you can see a picture, was cutting his hairs there in this Deep Chand's shop. And what happened? That Deep Chand cut his ear slightly. He can't got pain with this cutting, but this elderly gentleman have account in this bank and have various money. That's why he becomes so astonished, so surprised or shocked that he ran towards the telephone and he dialed Seth Govindram's number. Then what the answer was that the Govindram was out of town. He was in Kashmir holidaying, and down this elderly gentleman became doubtful that the bird had flown. This said Govindram had gone away, run away elsewhere because bank is totally finished. Then this news spread all over the village. How it spreads now, see, from this Kamal Kishore shop to barber. From barber, you can see from Deep Chand to customer, the Deep Chand, elderly gentleman, then betel seller, then the tailor, then tree vendor, the jeweler, and then old Ganpat. The story of the old Ganpat was very, very funny. Now, see that old Ganpat was a beggar and had a crooked leg. From various years, he was sitting on a particular place. He occupied the place as a beggar, and no one asked him about that. But when he heard the news about the bankrupt, the collapse of the bank, he leaped on his feet and ran towards the bank. All were astonished how he can run fast like that. No one had up to now seen with running. Everyone knows that his leg was crooked. It was astonished thing. But now see how the news spreads in this village. See, in this people nagar, crises are there. Seldom means rarely. Crisis means bad conditions were there in people nagar always, like floods, earthquake. But this crisis of a bankrupt was more very biggest crisis in this bank. And that what happened, that people gathered and chatting with each other, talking with each other. Various words are there. See, they speculating, guessing about the things, and some have no account. They boasted. They shows off that I had no account and I had not put money in this account like that. And some says that, see, the Seth Govindram had fled the state. They had fled the country. He ran away from the country. Some says he was hiding in the People Nagar. Some says that he had hanged himself from the tamarind tree. Tamarind tree is at the center of the village. How he can hang? But see how bad rumors are, that anyone can speak anything and people believe on it. Then what happened? The bank manager's condition was so worse. He was in very big difficult situation, a dilemma. What to do now? How I can give all people's money back? And that's why all people gathered there and shouting loudly that fetch the Seth and give us our money back. Then what happened? Then he aggravated he saw the crowd and aggravated their mood. The manager stood at the door and tried to palisade them. He gave a surety that next day he will return all money to all people. But what happened? This mob was very big and this mock boss chanted, means shouting loudly, that now we want now, and someone hurled the brick on the glass of the window, and glass broke there. See, next day Nathu arrived again next morning, and there were girls' mess was there of a glass and all these things. Nathu don't know anything. And Nathu says, the hooligans, sons of donkeys, who make this mess like that? And he was frustrated already because of a payment, and today's his work was very big, that very mess was there, and he was so upset about that and shouting loudly when that at that time washerman Sitaram was there, and Sitaram explained to him what happened yesterday. And Sitaram said, have you heard what he asked what? Then he said that bank is now going to collapse, and all people gathered there, and all news what happened yesterday Sitaram told Nathu. Then what happened with the Nathu? This news spread because of Nathu's sorrow that he didn't get his payment monthly, and now the news came back to Nathu, but the news changed that the bank can't give a payment. Instead of that, bank would collapse now. Bank is bankrupt now, like that. And now Nathu thought to himself, he was thinking to himself that who would have thought the bank would collapse, and I wonder how it could happen. It's so big bank, how is it happened, it is going to collapse. He thought about that. See how rumors are very bad, it can, so it's a very bad thing to spread rumors. Okay, it's a one kind of a crime in our society. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.